Okay, thank you. The chapter number system. In the chapter number system, some constructions are there, presentations are there, rational, irrationals are there. I think in the last class I'm telling you about the terminating, non-terminating, right?
Yes, sir.
And how to represent the recurring number in the fraction form, right?
Yes, sir. In PYQ code.
Very good. So today I'm going to represent how to represent the irrational number on the number line. Okay, just I'm telling you, listen. Suppose root 2, root 5, root 7, root 19, root 21, these are all the irrational number. And we have to represent this irrational number on the number line. How? We know that the Pythagoras theorem, everyone know the Pythagoras theorem? Anyone?
Yes,
What is
sir.
Pythagoras? Tell me, Rishraj.
Sir, base square plus height square is equal to hypotenuse.
So if this is height and this is base and
Hypotenuse.
this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse, then b square plus p square is equal to a square, right? So
Yes, sir.
at first we are drawing the line, number line, and taking this is the point O, and this distance is 1 unit by taking the compass or by scale 1 centimeter, and in this place you just draw the 90-degree, and then this line cut and then join, and OP, this is Q. So OQ length is, this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, and this is 1 square plus 1 square, that is root 2. So this is root 2. So this length is root 2. And since the question is represent root 2 on the number line, since the question is represent root 2 on the number line, so this distance taking by the compass, you have to rotate, then this point will be x. So you have to write OX is equal to root 2 unit. If you take this unit as centimeter, then write root 2 centimeter. When root 5, if you take from this point another one, then join, this will be root 3, again root 4, again root 5, and after doing this sum you get a spiral form. This form look like a spiral. You can see the what is, I'm doing some problem on spiral roots, how to represent spiral root. I'm telling you in the later on. And now just listen, root 5 from root 2, then root 3, then root 4, and dot 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 root 5. We get the representation of root 5. So when root 7 or root 5 is there, but no need to write step by step. You can find the value of root 5 or root 7 by tell me which is the nearest square number, below nearest square number of 5. Which one? 4. So, very good, 4. So at first you have to take in 2 unit in the as a base, 2 unit. Then draw the 90-degree here and taking 1, then join. This is 2 centimeter and this is 1 centimeter. And this will be root under 2 square plus 1 square, that is root 5. And directly you get, this is x, this is, so OX is equal to root 5. Root 7, then taking 1 and 1, then this will be root 6, then root 7. I think প্রত্যেকের এগুলো হয়ে গেছে, তাই না? এতদিন ধরে ক্লাস করেছিলে, এগুলো প্রত্যেকে করেছো, I think everyone know. Suppose root 21, you have to represent root under 21. How? This 21, if you starting from 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, dot, dot, 21 times you have to draw. But below which number is square? 16. So you can take 4 unit, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4, 4 is 16 plus 4. That is, if you take 2 unit, in this side, then this will be directly you get this is 4 unit and this is 2 unit, then this will be 4 square plus 2 square, this is root under 21. So দেখো no need to write from the last, directly তুমি কেমন root under 20 টা পেয়ে গেলে, then এখান থেকে আর একবার নাও 90 degree draw করে, then just from one time, then this will be 1 unit, and after joining this is root 20, so this value will be root under root 20 square plus 1 square. This length is root 20 and this is what? So this will be root under 20 plus 1, so root 21. And finally you have to draw the curve and write OX, and OX is equal to root 21. I think clear everyone. Ahili,
Yes, sir.
Dhrubajyoti, Anusruti, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, it is clear.
Okay, good. Next,
Bluetooth mode.
So we have to do the root 2 in our copy.
Mining mode.
okay. So next we are going to, if root under the value is decimal, root under value is decimal, then what happened? Suppose
Sir,
root
we need to
under-
draw sector.
just wait বাবারে সাউন্ডটা ঠিক করি, হ্যাঁ এখন কেউ কথা বলে একটুখানি সাউন্ড অ্যাডজাস্ট করি প্লিজ। হ্যালো,
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ yes, tell me what
Sir,
happened?
we need to draw the bisector. Sir,
Okay, very good. Everyone know. Just listen. At first, I have to tell. Suppose root under 3.5 or root under 8.1 or root under 11, like that. These are all the irrational number, and you have to represent this. And you have to represent this and you have to represent this. How? You have to multiply this by two number, 3.5 into 1, or you can write this is 2.7 into 3, or this number can be written as 11 into 1, or root under 5.5 into 2. So you have to multiply the number by two part. Acha, why? This value is the mean proportion of two number of this and this. I think in class 7, I'll tell you about the mean proportion, what is extremities, what is the mean proportion, right?
yes, sir.
মনে আছে তো? So if A, B, C are 3 are in proportion, then we can write A by B is equal to B by C. And here B square is equal to AC, and then B is equal to plus minus root under AC. If we taking only plus sign, then B is the mean of root under AC. So AC mean বের করছি, and this value is, we are going to find out the mean of two number, that is 2.7 and 3, 11 and 1 এর mean, 5.5 into 2 দুটো number এর mean we are going to find out. Now at first we have to taking 3.5 centimeter, then 1 centimeter. This is A, this is B, and this is C. This is 1 centimeter. So first point, just I'm written the point wise. First one is distance plus distance. Number 2, the distance and distance plus করলাম short in a short note. Then perpendicular bisector.
Perpendicular bisector on
only just short, in short please note করে রাখো perpendicular bisector from here to this and from this perpendicular bisector. Number 3 point, draw half circle. This is the center and just draw the half circle. Number 4, draw 90 degree. Draw 90 degree at separation point and separation point. This is the separation point at B. At B, draw 90 degree. Number 5, cut on circumference. Circumference. তাহলে যে জায়গাটায় কাট করলো নাম দাও সেটাকে ডি দিয়ে দাও, and you are taking this length by compass and the rotate down, then নাম দাও ওটাকে x, so finally bx will be root under 3.5. Similarly 2.7 or 11 you can take at first, this is 11 centimeter and then 1 centimeter distance, then bisector, perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector, draw the half circle. You are taking the center, then half circle. Then draw 90 degree the separation point. Here, 90 degree. Then cuts, this cuts. Bx. So we get Bx is equal to root under 11. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now, then next part is how to enlarge any decimal point. Any decimal point, how to represent. Is it clear? Just note down these points or you can take a screenshot. Or in each day I am taking the class, যখন আমি ক্লাসগুলো নিই সেই ক্লাসগুলোর ভিডিওগুলো কিন্তু ডিরেক্টলি আমি ইউটিউবে আপলোড করে দিই, সেগুলো আমার থাকে ইউটিউবে আপলোড করা সেট করে থাকে, তোমরা কিন্তু দেখতে পারো এই সমস্ত ভিডিওগুলো। প্রত্যেকদিন যে রেকর্ডিং করতে বললাম এগুলো আমার কাছে চলে আসে আর এই ভিডিওগুলো কিন্তু আমি আপলোড করে দিই। আচ্ছা, next enlarge, that is magnifying. Suppose 2.783 you have to represent this number on the number line. This on the number line. Okay, so at first you have to write the point 2.783 lies between 2 and 3. So this is the number line and at first 1, 2, 3 and you have to first write that this number lies between 2 and 3. So then একটা স্কেল কে নেবে, স্কেলে এরকম করে প্রথমেই 10 ঘর টেনে দেবে, 1 এরকম একটা স্কেলে প্রথমে 10 ঘর টেনে নেবে, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 ডান। 10 এইটাকে নিয়ে এদিকে দিয়ে দাও and this will be this will be 2 and this will be 3. This is 2.1. We are just dividing this by magnifying glass. We are just zoom it and we are separating by 10 part. So this will be 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9, then 3. Again, this number lies between 2.7 and 2.8. So this number again 10 part karo, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this part is this and this part is this. Again this will be 2.7, this is 2.71, 2.72, 2.73, 2.74, 2.75, 76, 77, 2.78, 2.77, and this will be 2.8. Again, the number lies between 2.78 and 2.79, and this is 2.79. Again, magnifying this, at first just divide 10 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10. And this part will be adding with this number, and this will be 8. Again, this will be 2.78, and this will be 2.79, and this value will be 2.781, 2.782, 2.783. So we get the answer 2.783. This is the enlarged magnifying process. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Sukarna?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
কি নেবে বলো বলো হ্যাঁ হ্যালো হ্যাঁ আমি বলো শর্টে ক্লাস নিচ্ছি আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ 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 so this is the enlarging method, this is the enlarging method, that is the magnifying the values. Yes, Sthiti
Yes, sir.
ক্লাস 8 এ তোমরা একদিনও ক্লাস করলে না কেন আমার?
আপনি তো নেননি।
হ্যাঁ
স্যার আপনি তো নেননি।
আপনি তো
না
নেননি।
আমি না স্থিতিকে বলছি সৃষ্টি
আমরা ঢুকে যেতাম।
দাঁড়া না বাবা অনিদান কি কথাটা বলছি শোন না বলছি যে সৃষ্টির তো ক্লাস নিতাম হ্যাঁ তা ও কখনো জয়েন করলো না তাহলে তোরা এইটিপির মানে এইটিপির ক্লাসটাই ভালো লেগেছিল এইটের ক্লাসটা একদিনের জন্য জয়েন করলি না তোরা তাই তো
নো স্যার।
হ্যাঁ
এইটে জয়েন করব কি করে?
আরে বাবা এই ছেলেটা বেশি কথা বলে ওর বোন তো এই এতে ছিল ও তো একটা ডিভাইসে ওরা ক্লাস করতো দুজনে একই সেকশনে এখানেই ক্লাসটা করতো তো এখন কি সৃষ্টি এখানেই ক্লাস করছে সৃষ্টি
নো স্যার এখনো এইটাতেই ক্লাস করছে।
এখনো এতেই ক্লাস করছে 9 এতে
না স্যার 9 এ।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা ওকে সো দিস পোরশন ইজ ক্লিয়ার নাও আই এম গোইং টু দ্য রেশনালাইজিং ফ্যাক্টর রেশনালাইজেশন আচ্ছা অমিত কি এখন সিরিয়াল দেখো নাকি কান্নাকাটি করো এখন সিরিয়াল দেখে
না স্যার।
কে যেন কান্নাকাটি করতো শুভশ্রী
কান্নাকাটি কেউ করতো না।
ও সিরিয়াল দেখে কে যেন কান্নাকাটি করতো যে আচ্ছা না আমি কান্নাকাটি করি হয়েছে ওকে নেক্সট লুক নেক্সট পার্ট ইজ rationalization. What? Rationalization. Rationalization. What is rationalization? So what is surds? At first you have to know about the surds. What is surds? Suppose root under prime number is called surds. That is root under 2. Achha, root under 8 is surds. Yes, root under 8 also surds because this can be written as 4 into 2, that is 2 root 2. Root under 9 is not surds because this is 3. Root 5, root 7, root 8, root 11, these are all the surds. Now I'm written a standard surds, that is a plus root b. A plus root b is a rational number and it has two rationalizing factor. Rationalizing rising factors, that is a minus root b and minus a plus root b, to make it a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, a plus b sorry, a plus b into a minus b, to make it a plus b into a minus b, we are multiplying with this by a plus b into a minus b. If this value is a, this value is b, a plus b into a minus b. Is it clear, everyone?
Sir, can
Is
you
it-
repeat?
Soptika, yes. A plus root b is a standard rationalization, rational number. Mane one dash surge, this is surge. To make it, suppose we are multiplying with this by this, a something value plus something value minus something. This value same, this value same, and মাঝখানে শুধু only negative. So a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. Suppose for this time, this plus this, if we write this root b plus root a, and this will be root b minus root a. Look, a plus b into a minus b form এ রয়েছে কিনা? This in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So these are called rationalizing factor, but only a minus root b is conjugate of a plus root b. A minus root b is conjugate of a plus root b. A minus root b is conjugate of a plus root b. Is it clear? Suppose my question is, tell me what is the conjugate number of 2 minus root 3?
2 plus root 3.
Everyone agree? 2 plus root 3 is
Yes, sir.
2 plus root 3 is only one conjugate of this number. But if my question is এটা কি না অর্ঘদীপ নাকি?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me what will be the rationalizing factor of 2 minus root 3? This is factor, rationalizing factor. What will be the rationalizing factor? Proloy, Siloy, Niloy. Tell me. Rationalizing factor is 2 plus Soptika. Tell me.
Sir, 2 plus root 3.
And minus 2 minus root 3. This sign will be changed one time and this sign will be changed one time. Okay. Two plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Okay. Now I'm going to next part. Is it clear? Now I'm asking you one question. Root 3 plus 2. Root 3 plus 2. This is the number root 3 plus 2. A root 3 plus 2 এর conjugate কি? What will be the conjugate of root 3 plus 2? Anmol, tell me.
Yes, sir.
What will be the conjugate of this number? Conjugate number কি হবে? What will be the conjugate of this number? Tell me, what will be the conjugate of this number? Anmol?
So 3 plus 2.
Sukarna, what will be the conjugate number of this?
Sir, minus root 3 plus 2, or sir, another one will be root 3
I'm
minus 2.
asking you only conjugate number, not rationalizing factor. Whenever
Then sir, this
I'm
one.
asking you the rationalizing factor, then two rationalizing factors are there. But whenever I'm asking you the conjugate number, then minus root 3 plus 2. This will be minus root 3 plus 2.
Okay,
Sir, can you
sir.
repeat once again?
When this is conjugate number. Only one is conjugate. When the root under value is sign change, this is conjugate, but it has two rationalizing factor. One is minus root 3 plus 2. So conjugate number is also a rationalizing factor. But root 3 minus 2 is also there. This is a rationalizing factor. So that's two rationalizing factor, but one conjugate. Conjugate, it's a rationalizing factor, but rationalizing factor is, we cannot say the rationalizing factor is must be conjugate, but conjugate is must be a rationalizing factor. Is it? Now clear? Or
Yes,
not?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Can you
very
please
good.
repeat once, sir?
Next, we are going to the next part, how to rationalization. 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 Suppose 1 by 2 plus only 1 by root 3 is there. So root value is in the below. So this root will be changed by multiplying root 3 into root 3. This will be root 3 by 3. So denominator rationalization. Denominator rationalization. 1 into root 3 by 3, root 3 plus root 3, that is 3. Root 3 by 3. Okay. Root 3 and root 3 into root 3, this will be 3. And 1 by 2 plus root 3. 1 by 2 plus root 3, this equal to 1 by 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. Again here 2 minus root 3. We are just multiplying both the rationalizing factor 2 minus root 3 on below and above. Below and above 2 minus root 3, 2 minus root 3. We can multiply now same number with denominator and numerator. So above value will be 2 minus root 3 and below is a plus b into a minus b, that is 2 square minus root 3 square, that is 2 minus root 3 by 4 minus 3, that is 2 minus root 3. Is it clear everyone? Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, I am giving you another example. I'm giving you another example, that is 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. So what should be multiplied? Tell me, Sucheta, tell me. 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. What should be multiplied with denominator and numerator? Sucheta? Sucheta? Sija? Yes, Sucheta, tell me. Tell me. here 2 plus root 3 should be multiplied. 2 plus root 3 should be multiplied to make it a square minus b square form. To make it a square minus b square form, we have to multiply 2 plus root 3. Now, this will be 2 plus root 3 whole square by 2 square minus root 3 square. A square minus b square. So this is 2 square a square plus b square root 3 square plus 2 into root 3 by 4 minus 3. This is 4 root. What will be the value of root 3 square? 3. Very good. This will be 3 minus 4 root 3 by 1. So this is 7 minus 4 root 3. So this is the rationalizing factor of this value. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Suppose
sir.
now the question is কপি করছো তো অঙ্কগুলোকে খুব ভালো ভালো অঙ্ক কিন্তু x is equal to 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 and xy is equal to 1, then find x square plus y square. This is the question. That is x is equal to 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 and xy is equal to 1. Then you have to find the value of x square plus y square. Can you find the value? How to find the value? So x value is given, but y square value is not given. Y value is not given, but xy is given. That is xy is equal to 1. So can we write y is equal to 1 by x? This is equal to 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. So we can write 2 minus root 3 by 2 plus root 3. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we have to rationalize. We have to write the rationalization of form of x and y both. Here x is equal to 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. So we can write this is 2 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 into 2 plus root 3. So this will be 2 plus root 3 whole square. That is 7 plus 4 root 3. And y is equal to 2 minus root 3 by 2 plus root 3. That is 2 minus root 3 whole square by 4 minus 3. That is 7 minus 4 root 3. Is it clear? The x is 7 plus root 3. Soptika, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
X is 7 plus root 3 and this is 7 minus root 3. Now, very interesting part. Only after this, here you have to find the value of x square plus y square. তাহলে তোমরা কি করবে? এই x square আর y square টা করবে. Then you just find out the square of this and square of this. Then you are adding the values, right? No need to do this method. Just you write the value of x plus y only. X plus y only. When this kind of problem is there, you just find out the x plus y only. So x plus y is equal to 7 plus root 3, 7 plus 4 root 3 plus 7 minus 4 root 3. This is equal to 14. Now the given value is x square plus y square. This can be written as x plus y whole square minus 2xy. X plus y whole square minus 2xy, right? So what is the value of x plus y? That is 14 square minus 2 into the xy value is given 1. So 1. So 196 minus 2, that is 194 is the answer. Is it clear? Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir. So can you please explain it once again?
Yes, sir. Can you repeat once again?
Yes, sir.
just after adding of x and y, we get 14. X plus y is equal to 14. Then our target is we have to find the value of x square plus y square. So x square plus y square ke we are representing as the form of x plus y. So x plus y whole square minus 2ab. You can represent this x minus y whole square plus 2ab. But don't write x minus y because we know the value of x plus y. X plus y value ta jani bole, that's why we are written this as the form of x plus y whole square and minus 2xy. Okay, like there are different type problems also there. If you have to find the value of x square plus y square minus 3xy or plus 3xy by x square plus y square minus xy. How to represent this? Look, ভালো করে দেখো, হ্যাঁ সবাই দেখছো তো?
Yes, sir.
Okay, listen. So x square plus y square should be written as x plus y whole square minus 2xy, and the plus 3xy value is given, right? Only x square plus y square can be written as this. Only x plus y whole square can be written as, only this portion can be written as this, and the below x plus y whole square minus 2xy minus xy. Is it clear? Only this value x square plus y square can be written as this, and minus xy value is there, and then you write x plus y whole square plus xy, then x plus y whole square minus 3xy. Okay, then just putting the value. This is 14 square plus 1 by 14 square minus 3. So this is 197 by 193 is the answer. I think clear. I think clear. This kind of problems অনেক আছে. I'll give you some problems after this class. I'm giving you some assignment, some problem based on this. In the next class, I will give you some problems on exponent also, this rationalization also, and from the number system. In the next class আমি একটা quiz conduct করব, and I will show you some questions, and they have some options and you have to choose one. Okay?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay. So tell me now, তোমরা কেমন আছো?
Sir, I'll stop the recording.
আরিয়ান সরকার?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
ওকে, তো করোনার সিচুয়েশনটা থেকে তোমাদেরকে সবাই বাড়িতেই বসিয়ে দিল, হ্যাঁ?